Alright guys, so this is Nirvay, and in this video we will see how we can install Google Antigravity on our Linux Ubuntu system. Okay, so for that you have to simply search Google Antigravity in your any browser. So let us search it, and simply you have to enter and you have to click on this first link where you will see a page like this where it has already detected your operating system. So mine is Linux, so it has already detected Linux. So you have to simply click on this download for Linux, and at the right side again you have to click on this download button, and you will see a page like this. Okay, so what you have to do, first you have to add this repository to your system. Okay, so for that you have to simply copy this and open the terminal of your system. So I have already opened, so I will simply paste it and enter. So it is asking for sudo password, so let I enter it. Okay, so it is done. Now secondly, we need to update our packages. Okay. So again I will simply run sudo apt update, so it will get all the packages updated. Okay, so now our packages has been upgraded. We need to now run this command, that is sudo apt install antigravity, and paste it. So let I clear my screen and I will simply paste it. So this is gonna install anti-gravity on our operating system. So now anti-gravity has been successfully installed into our Linux Ubuntu operating system. So now I will simply search for anti-gravity. So you can see anti-gravity has been downloaded. So you have to simply click on this next, next, and next. Again, let's go with default, that is review driven based, and again next. So here you can quickly sign up with your Google account. You can select on this next. Now you can see we have successfully installed anti-gravity on our Linux Ubuntu operating system.